Why would a monkey brancher who still want to be a part of your life after they cheated, monkey branch, have someone else? That can be very confusing because you say, this motherfucker already moved on. They have someone else and they still hovering. They still texting you. They still show interest in you. Maybe they even buy you stuff. This is super confusing. And in today's session, I'm going to explain to you why they do it and what you should do because this is the most important thing. They already done something. Now the focus needs to be on you. I'm Coach Pas Goldie on your relationship and breakup coach. And when a monkey brancher does that, it's actually more about you than them. I'm gonna explain why. You allow them the access to you. You allow them to say certain things. You allow them because you are listening, because you're still there. What you must do after monkey branching, every breakup is unique, but I would say monkey branching specifically, if we talk about monkey branching, it's complete radio silence, meaning you block them, you just disappear from the face of the earth. As far as you concerned, they passed away. And I made a video about how to do some kind of a healing ritual that actually um, you're just describing who they were to you with a letter, and you write a eulogy, actually a eulogy, and you summarize their being with just few short phases, and you consider them as dead. I know this is radical, but sometimes desperate times calls for desperate measures, and this is just one of them. Now, for those of you who say, yeah, but the monkey branch and I have kids, rest assured, I'm actually going to record a video right now about that. So stay tuned for it. Check my channel and you will see it. And exactly what you need to do, because even if you have kids together, it's still, you just need to act business as usual. But I'm going to cover that more extensively in a video that I'm going to record right now with my wife Denise now. So when they do that, you cannot allow that. That's all. That's completely up to you. If you don't have kids together and this is your situation, you just completely go radio silent, and that is it. I mean, there is no much more to do. But in order for you to get to this point, I can give you the answer and tell you this is what you need to do. And you said, okay, but how do I do it? This is where the how comes into play. The how, it's the work that we talk about it all the time. It's the self-reflection. It's the first of all the understanding of them, why they monkey branched, who they are as a person. Maybe they are narcissists, avoidant, whatever. At the beginning, you need to understand them. Once you get the hold of who they were, then you are free. You're free from saying to yourself, you are free because in this point you can actually separate their actions from your value, and you said, oh, this is just how they are. It's got nothing to do with me. And I refer monkey branching many times. I refer to it like a car accident. Yes, it's very unfortunate. It's very unfortunate occasion. Oh, so it's a car accident when you're in the passenger seat. It's a very unfortunate situation, but it's not your fault. It's not your fault. You were just there and you were highly, heavily impacted by this. So now you need to separate your value from their action. And you do that by getting the understanding of who they were. I go really deep on that in the Rise of the Phoenix, my online healing coaching program. And if you want to get it, I'm offering it now for only $37. It's a limited time. Probably the price will go up in the next few days. So make sure you take advantage of it now and start healing correctly. Because you gotta understand them. When you understand them, then you're free to work on you. And their work on you, it's their self-reflection. What have I done? How can I do better? Who am I? Who do I want to be? Who do I want to be with? What do I need to become? There is so much inner work that you need to do on yourself. And thank God that right now you have the time, you have the energy, and you need also to have the correct mindset. This is why when I'm referring you to my program, it's because there is no distractions there. It's a system, it's a step-by-step system with videos, worksheets, and you can actually do a lot of work. It helped thousands of people by now to heal correctly, and some of them even find the love of their life. And this is what you must do. You fall in love with yourself, and then you attract an equal. So if your ex monkey branch, it's not if, your ex monkey branch, and they're still there, this is because you are allowing that. What you need to do, like I said, and I am emphasizing things a lot in my videos because it's important for you to understand that sometimes when you're listening to my videos, maybe you're at the gym, maybe you're doing the dishes, maybe you're doing something, and when you hear it few times, you say, "Oh, so I need to do it when my ex monkey branched. All I need to do is not allow them back in." And you do that by working on you, raising your value to you. It's got nothing to do with them. Please understand it and separate their actions from your value. You have to. When you do the separation and you say, what they did got nothing to do with me, this is where you can start working on you. You do the work on you, you heal, and you grow, and you're not allowing any kind of disrespectful behavior, not just from them, but from anyone in your life. And that's the beauty, and that's one of the gifts that specifically monkey branching gives you, is the ability to start discerning people in your life. You say, you're not good for me, you might betray me, or you betrayed me, or a friend who tells you all kind of stuff that you don't want to hear, and you said, you know what, you're not good for me. You become very protective on your energy and on yourself. This is how you develop also self-love through self-respect. You don't take shit from no one. You took a lot of shit. And that's why you ended up where you ended up, which is not good or bad. It just is. This is your situation. Now, you can cry about it, which you probably cry about it. I cried about it a ton. That's okay. This is just a part of the healing journey. So, at first, you cry about it, and then you heal. And after that, you smile and you laugh about it. Now, I look at my documentary. If you guys didn't watch it, you can check the link in the description below for the my documentary. For now, I see it, I'm like, oh my God, I actually laugh at it at this point. I know it's not a laughing matter because cheating is serious, but now that I look at it, look back at it, I see how I cried, how I broke down, and I said, wow. It's like, who is this guy? I don't even recognize myself anymore like that. I will never cry like that over anything. Even when my mom passed away a few months ago, nothing. Nothing. You become immune. And this is again the beauty of cheating. It's breaking your heart open, and something comes out of you if you heal correctly, because you can become bitter or better. Most people become bitter. Most people talk shit about their ex, shit about themselves. But it's not even my hope. I know that the people who watches my channel, you're not the type of person. You're the type of person who will grow from it and will become better from it. Work out, eat right, do all of the right things for you, things that strengthening you, not things that are weakening you. So that's pretty much it. Everything will circle back to you, how you view you, what you allow and not allow in your life. Once you're not allowing that in your life, people can say and do whatever. You say, no, my friend, I ain't having it. And that's it. And that's it. You draw a line. You set the boundary. When you set the boundary, there's no one will ever cross you. Simple as that. Thank you so much for watching, my friend. I'm sending you much love. And if you need my help, all the links in the description below. I'll see you again in the next one.